Hi there and welcome to another video. I am Raluca and I forgot to film an intro. This segment is filmed about 2 hours after I finished doing my makeup. This is the look that I'm doing today. I had no idea what I was gonna do, but I had the word exotic in mind. I wanted to do something colorful, inspired by exotic things like exotic birds, flowers, just colorful, bright things. And this is what I came up with. It's very hot in my balcony at the moment because it's 11 a.m. almost. I usually film my videos pretty early in the morning. You will notice a change in accessory and stuff because I removed all of it after I finished filming my video. But then I was doing my thing and I realized that I forgot to film an intro, so here I am. If you care about those things. You probably don't. Anyway, let's get into the makeup. For some reason I'm fully accessorized today. I have my earrings, I have my necklace, ring, and also a bracelet that says Happy Feels. So let's feel happy feels. Today I'm just gonna do my eyes on camera because I just don't feel like filming my face makeup, so I won't. I'm going to prime first. I'm using the Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer from Too Faced, blending that in with my finger. Oh, the birds are singing so nicely. I kind of have this idea of filming a video outside because my town is surrounded by nice nature. Maybe I will, but I need a tripod and I ordered a tripod for my phone. That might come in handy and I might do it someday this summer. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do. You've seen it already, didn't you? Anyway, I have two palettes in front of me, the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. I just have the word exotic in mind and I want to create something really colorful, but I'm really not sure what, so I know I want to use this one. This peachy tone is very beautiful. What if I use this neon shade as well? Or maybe save it for another look and create like a neon orange look. Okay, let's start slow and maybe I will figure it out, hopefully. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. No, you know what? No, I think I'm gonna save this one for my lid actually and apply something else in my crease. Yeah, I think I got it. Oh. Okay, let's start with the yellow. And it's the yellow in the Zulu palette and I'm using a Morphe 506 brush. And I'm gonna start applying it from the inner portion of my crease. And I'm gonna split my crease into two parts. So the inner portion is gonna be yellow and the outer portion is gonna be... I forgot what I was thinking. I think pink? Yeah, I might go for the pink. But let's see. For now, I'm just gonna blend this yellow into my inner part of the crease. And kind of blending it a little over the half part of my crease. So in this portion, I will blend the colors into one another. They are going to join here. Wow. My English is not working today. Okay, moving on, I will reach for... What was I gonna do? Oh, I will reach for the Festival palette and pick this hot pink. I'm using a Morphe 507 brush. Let's see if I am able to blend this in my crease. I hope it's not too dark. Anyway, I'm starting from the outer corner of my eye, even though I think I'm gonna darken my outer corner with something else, but... Can you please stop your cars? Where are you going in this town? Just walk. Everything is like mostly at a 30 minutes distance. Anyway, so I'm kind of doing little circular motions, gonna blend this one upwards and also out towards my temples. I'm being very gentle with the pressure that I apply on my brush, especially here in my outer corner because I don't want patchiness or like too much pigment. I just want to fade it into my skin. I'm also fading it into the yellow here, and it kind of creates an orangey toned color in the center when they blend into one another. Oh, color theory is beautiful. Let me just build this one a little bit more. Picked up a little bit more of that pink. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm kind of starting from my outer corner and then I'm fading it into like towards my temples. This is so lovely already. Let's see what is next. I'm gonna pick this peachy tone that I wanted to use on my lids for now. I will not overthink it. I feel like I can't really get ideas so far ahead. Not with colors. Not today. Anyway, I'm using Juvia's Place small buffer brush, and I'm gonna use stamping motions, stamping it on the inner part of my lid mostly, but I'm kind of fading it towards the outer part as well, fading it into the pink. But I think I want like green or teal as well, so might apply that on the lower lash line. This is gonna be so good. Exciting stuff. I didn't know using colors could make me so happy. I should do it more often. Fading it into the crease shade by gently, very gently tapping it upwards. What if I build up the yellow a little bit? Yep, taking a little bit more of the yellow just to restore a little bit of its intensity. Moving on, I want something to darken my outer corner, so I'm gonna pick this purple in the Zulu palette. I'm just going back and forth between these two. I'm using a very small brush. This is the Morphe M149, and I'm gonna use tapping motions and place it in the outer part of my lash line. As it reaches my outer corner, this shade will become thicker, so I like to angle it towards the end of my brow. That placement can visually lift your outer corner, and if you extend it towards your temples, it can also extend your eye, visually, of course. I usually aim for that extended look because I have rounded eyes naturally. I'm just gonna gently drag this shade across my lash line. But then again, in my outer corner, I am fading it upwards. I might need to use that pink again to blend it out because I can't really blend with a brush like this. This is used for precision placement mostly, not really fading, blending things out. But I'm trying to build up the purple as much as I need first. And as you can see, it's kind of almost placed in a wing liner shape. I'm trying to gain the same effect that I would with a wing liner, but with eyeshadow instead. So I'm extending, focusing it on the outer corner, and lifting my outer corner with it. I'm going to have to blend this out, so let me just pick a little bit more of that pink. Cars again. Can't one just focus on their colorful makeup without having cars interrupting? I'm going around the purple, again very gently. I'm just trying to fade the shades into one another, not trying to re-intensify the pink or anything. So just gently go around it. Kind of wiping my brush. I want to emphasize this extension. I want this extension to be really, really well blended. Even though it might fade a little bit once I do my face makeup, but I don't think I'm gonna apply foundation, so I might be fine though. I think I'm just gonna use concealer today. I do have a bit of fallout, but I'm really happy with this look. I'm gonna finish the upper lid by applying a little bit of mascara, but of course not before curling my lashes. And I will be using my beloved Sky High mascara from Maybelline. Might be my favorite at the moment. I'm so in the mood for a party or a festival or something. I'm getting kind of bored in the month of June. I finished my face makeup, I didn't apply foundation, and as blush, interesting thing, I applied this peachy shade that I used on my lids, and I love it. Anyway, let's see how we finish off this look, because I can either make it or break it now. Hopefully I'll make it. Gonna start with the inner corner shade, which is gonna be, I think, this gold in the Festival palette. So let me just pick that. Is it a little too dark? Let's see. I'm picking it on a flat brush. Nah, it's actually perfect. and I'm fading it towards the lower lash line. I'm bouncing back between these two palettes, but next I'm gonna use the Zulu one, and I'm not sure if I want the green or the teal on the lower lash line. But you know which one I want, right? Of course, you know, I'm gonna go for the green. I'm using the same brush, whatever. I'm gonna pick up this green shimmer and oh, so excited. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm starting the application from the inner corner and I'm kind of dragging towards the outer corner of the eye. I'm so happy right now. Ooh. Gosh, chill, it's just makeup. No, I won't chill. No, I won't chill. These are the discussions that I have with me daily. There are like two voices in my head, at least two voices. No, I will enjoy this look. And I will get as excited as I want about it. Which is really excited, because I have green on my lower lash line and now my day is going a whole lot better. I mean, it was great already, but now it's extraordinary. I'm finishing off the eyes with a bit of mascara on my lower lashes, and that is it. Let's do the lips now. Of course, I'm going to reach for nude. I'm using the Nude Beige lip pencil by NYX. I have Vaseline on my lips. Overlining the middle, and I'm actually gonna do some filling in at least on the sides because I'm applying almost a clear gloss. I'm finishing off with the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline. It's in the shade Pearl. It's lovely. Oh my god, the smell. It smells yummy. You know what this smells like? You know those coffee, liquor, whiskey things? Oh, it smells exactly like that. Like a strong Irish coffee, I think. But also with a little bit of rum. Is it rum or is it whiskey? I'm not sure. It smells amazing though. And this is my look, all complete. Inspired by exotic things, birds, flowers, colorful stuff. This makes me so excited for my next vacation. Like, I wanna get out of the country. I would want to do it right now, but that is not possible. Anyway, I'll be patient. I hope you liked the look that I came up with today. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an extraordinary day. And I will see you next time. Bye!